guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is another review and quick unboxing from me, and I'm very excited to share it with you, the unboxing of this newest smartphone here in the Philippines, the Realme 3. And it's been a long time na nag-review ako ng another cellphone or smartphone, so I'm here today. And before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more videos of me. Guys, I'm very excited to show it with you, and disclaimer lang po, hindi po ako professional na reviewer ng mga techie or gadgets na mga bagay-bagay, pero I will try my best. Gagawin ko yung 100% best ko sa makakaya ko para ipakita sa inyo yung mga review ng mga gadgets. So, for this video, we are going to start to unbox this smartphone. So, this is Realme 3, and this is the packaging. It's so very minimalist lang para sa akin. Super kakaiba siya, and also super konti lang ng details na nakalagay sa box, kaya nagmukha siyang malinis. Ni-open this box, ang mauna nating makikita ay itong information about Realme. So, this is another thingy. So, ito yata yung pang-open ng SIM card. So, ito nga siya, may kasama na rin siya. O may jelly case. It's very good kasi may mga smartphone na bagong labas na wala pang case. Here we have the cellphone or the smartphone. Meron siyang parang plastic na cover. And ang nakalagay dito is micro SD card, nano SIM card. It comes with this. And it's very good kasi meron na siyang screen protector. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-alala na baka walang kasamang screen protector, or kapag binili mo walang kasama pa, so another gastos na naman. May kasama rin siyang charger, and also the 1 meter or more than 1 meter na cord. And I don't know kung bakit walang kasamang earphone madalas yung mga smartphone na nakikita ko. And for sure na may reason behind of that, but right now I don't know the reason. And if you know the reason, just comment down below. Pero wala siyang kasamang earphone sadly. Pero meron naman siya kasamang jelly case kasi sobrang hirap humanap ng mga case ng mga bagong labas na cellphone. And it takes 2 weeks or more than a month para magkaroon ng bagong case para sa mga bagong smartphone. So, yeah. So, tinanggal ko na yung sticker, and then, based on my research, meron silang dalawang color na available, dynamic blue and radiant blue. So, ito yung color na nakuha ko, radiant blue, and it's very good. Para siyang other phone. The smartphone has 6.2 inches, screen ratio 88.30, the resolution is HD plus 1520 or 720, the protection glass is Corning glass, arrow frame is 2.5 mm. Battery space has 4,230 mAh, support 5 volt 2A. Features is MediaTek Helio 60. So guys, this is the Realme 3, and I'm very happy with the features and the look of this smartphone. Hindi ko alam sasabihin ko. So, I'm happy sa nakita ko kasi sobrang, alam niyo yun, sobrang parang 5D, 3D, kung ano-ano pa, or lahat na ng D. Sobrang ganda niya. Laki ng screen niya, kaya parang sobrang ganda. And honestly, kapag tinignan mo siya ng ganito, parang hindi mo siya expect na Realme to. Parang, it's like Samsung, so ganun. And para siyang may pagka-similar na itsura sa iPhone X, to be honest. And in my own opinion, para siyang iPhone X and Samsung A50. So, sobrang ganda. Guys, isi-set up ko naman yung fingerprints and yung face unlock. So guys, na-set up ko na yung fingerprint sensor niya, and let's see, it's very good or not. So, this is the phone. Nag-open agad siya. 1, 2, 3. So guys, it's very good yung fingerprint sensor niya, pero medyo nag-struggle lang ako na ma-read yung fingerprint ko kasi medyo nabasa yung kamay ko kanina. So let's see naman kapag ginamit naman natin yung face unlock. Guys, i-enroll ko lang yung face ko. As you can see, yung itsura niya. So, yeah. Please keep your face displayed. So, ang bilis. So, let's see kung it's very good or not. So, as you can see, guys, nakalock yung phone ko with the code. So, kapag tinapat ko siya sa face ko, unlock na siya. Another one. So, pag siya tinaas ko, walang password, and tinapat ko siya sa face ko, boom! So far, nai-impress ako sa cellphone or smartphone na to. And let's see naman, and let's proceed to the quality of camera testing of this smartphone. It has 13M AI front camera, and the rear camera is 13MP plus 2MP. So, yeah. At may filter na siyang kasama. It's very good. Ang favorite filter ko so far dito is yung lime. And then, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And may kasama na siyang filter. May 10 filter siya. Plus 1, the original filter. Or the original without the filter. So, 11. And also, meron na siyang automatic na AI scene. Kung makikita niya kung nasa labas ka or nasa loob ka, sunset, nature. So, sobrang ganda. Ito, yung smartphone na to yung mag-a-adjust sa'yo sa kung ano yung kailangan ng quality ng picture. Kung pang nature ba siya, pang indoor, outdoor, etc. So, it's very good. And that's all. Tapos, ito try din natin yung video camera or video quality of this smartphone. So, it has 720p and also 1080p. So, ito yung 720p. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, mag-edit or mag-unbox or for today's video. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Queenie and Really at i-unbox natin ng Realme 3 and now, tinetest out natin yung 1080p ng camera na to, the front camera. Unbox natin ng Realme 3 and now, tinetest out natin yung 1080p ng camera na to, the front camera. That's all for this video. I hope you like it. At gagawa ko ng another video about sa quality ng camera nito sa pictures and also the video quality para makita natin kung pwede rin siya pang vlog or not. So, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. And never forget to like and subscribe. And kung may kulang pa akong dito sasabi, lalagay ko na lang sa description box yung mga ibang information na hindi ko nasabi. So, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment down below. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you again on my next video. God bless you. Ingat kayo palagi.